In the last video, we solved the sixth problem of exercise 4.2. In this video, let me continue with the last exercise, that is exercise 4.3 of the quadratic equation. In the summary, I have already told you, for the quadratic formula, the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, provided b square minus 4a is greater than or lesser than or equal to 0. And a quadratic equation which is there in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, I can write three different solutions here. That is, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, I will get the nature as two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, two equal roots are there. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots are found. So this is the basic things we have to know before solving exercise 4.3. If you forgot that, you can check my first video. In the summary, I have covered these points regarding the summary of the quadratic equation. Let us continue with the exercise 4.3. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. So here we have three different problems. Here we have to use the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. After that, if the answer, whatever we will get, whether it is greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0, we have to write the nature of the quadratic equation that I have mentioned here. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and we can decide whether the real roots are exist or not based on the value of the discriminants. So 10th student, this is very important question. It will be given for your examination. So watch this video properly. For two distinct real root, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two equal real root if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, no real root if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Let us solve the problem one by one. Question number 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here, first we have to write the value of a, b and c. A is 2, b is minus 3, c is 5. By seeing the expression only, you can write the value of a, b and c. Now, as I told you already, we have to use the formula of the discriminant. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to substitute the value of a, b and c. Here b is given as minus 3 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 2, the value of c is 5. So minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9, minus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 5 is 40. So 9 minus 40 is nothing but minus 31. Here the values are less than 0. Therefore, no real roots are present here. Question number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 4 root 3, the value of c is 4. Substitute in the expression b square minus 4ac. Then you will get the value as 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, I will get two equal roots. That can be calculated by using the formula sum of the roots is equal to 2x is equal to minus b by a. This also I have told you in the first class of the quadratic equation. You can check it in the playlist. X is equal to minus b by 2a. If you substitute the value of b and 2a, you will get the two roots, that is 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Question number 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is 2, the value of b is minus 6, the value of c is 3. Substitute in the expression b square minus 4ac. Here I will get the answer as 12. That means the value is greater than 0. Therefore, I have to use the formula x square is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the value of a as 2, the value of b as minus 6, the value of c as 3. Substitute, you will get the answer as x is equal to minus into minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 2. If you solve, you will get x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 4. So you will get x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. Root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. So therefore you will get the two value, that is x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. In the next video, let us continue with the second problem of exercise 4.3.